salad for stronger immunity. Stay till the end and learn how to boost your immunity. First, we need to cut the pickles into cubes approximately 250 to 300 grams. Then put them in a bigger bowl. Then also cut the chicken breast into cubes that we previously cooked. Salt the water and boil it for 30 minutes. Wait for it to cool down and cut it. Did you know that 100 grams of chicken breast contains 31 grams of protein and 165 calories? Put also in a bowl with pickles. Then cut 3 boiled carrots on the cubes. I boiled them for about 30 minutes. Do you know how to check if a carrot is cooked? Pierce with a toothpick in the middle. If it goes through easily, then they are cooked. Do you know what vitamins carrots have? Also, don't forget subscribe to the channel for more interesting recipes. Put together with pickles and chicken. Then boil for eggs. Hard-boiled eggs require 12 minutes from the moment the water boils. Then separate the yolks from the whites. Cut the egg whites into cubes and put them in a bowl. Put the egg yolk in another bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt and mash. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 teaspoon of dill. Mix everything together well and add to another bowl, and then again mix everything together. Write me in the comment how you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Served on toasted bread, you can eat for breakfast, dinner, and it's great post-workout meal. Thank you for watching. See you next Saturday.